Hello gardening and farming enthusiasts. Today we embark on a lively journey to explore the captivating world of Guinea hens. These unique birds, known for their distinctive appearance and vocal personalities, have a fascinating history and valuable roles on the farm. But before we delve into the exciting exploration, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more informative insights. Guinea hens, also called Guinea fowl, originate from the African continent, specifically from regions such as West Africa. They were introduced to other parts of the world by European traders and explorers. Guinea hens have a rich history as both farm animals and traditional food sources in their native regions. Guinea hens are small to medium-sized birds characterized by their unique feathered patterns. They typically have spotted or speckled plumage, often with a mix of gray, white, and black feathers. Their distinctive bony heads set them apart from other poultry. To successfully raise guinea hens, they require a suitable coop or shelter to protect them from the elements and predators. They are hardy birds and can adapt to various climates. Providing access to fresh water and proper nutrition is essential for their well-being. They are known for their vigilant and protective nature, making them excellent watchdogs for the farm. They are compatible with other poultry, helping to keep insects and pests in check. However, they can be noisy, so consider your neighbors if you live in a residential area. Guinea hens serve multiple purposes on the farm. They are excellent foragers and are prized for the ability to control insect populations, including ticks and grasshoppers. Their flavorful meat is also enjoyed in various culinary dishes. And there you have it, a glimpse into the captivating world of guinea hens. These lively, industrious birds with roots in African heritage. From their striking appearance to their valuable roles on the farm, they bring both charm and practicality. If you found this exploration as fascinating as we did, please give us a thumbs up and share the thoughts in the comments below. Stay tuned for more engaging species on our channel.